In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payroll management systems in Microsoft Access 2026 using Form. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable setup for managing employees, tracking hours, and producing professional pay slips, all inside Access. Start by launching Microsoft Access. From the Start screen, create a new blank database. Give it a clear name like Payroll Management and save it in a secure, backed up folder. Using a single database file keeps everything organized, and naming it well helps you find and maintain it later. Next, define the core tables. Create an employees table with fields for employee ID, name, and department. Set employee ID as the primary key and choose appropriate data types such as auto number for the ID and short text for names and departments. Then create a payroll transactions table with fields for salary, deductions, and hours worked, plus an employee ID field to link each transaction to an employee. Use consistent data types and establish a relationship between payroll transactions. Employee ID and employees. Employee ID, so your forms and queries can pull the right records together. With the structure in place, build queries to calculate payroll metrics. Join employees to payroll transactions and add calculated expressions for items like net salary, taxes, and overtime. For example, net pay can be salary minus deductions, and overtime can be based on hours worked beyond your threshold. Keep tax logic simple at first so you can validate your math, then refine rules as needed. Now create a user-friendly interface. Use the form wizard for a quick start or switch to design view for full control. Bind the form to the payroll transactions table or the query you just made. Arrange fields so data entry is natural. Employee details at the top, followed by hours, salary, and deductions. Add text boxes for fields like employee ID and hourly rate, and set their control sources to the matching fields. Format numeric fields for currency or number as appropriate, and consider simple validation rules to prevent typos and missing values. Enhance usability with form controls. Add buttons for adding new records, saving, and navigating between records. Include calculated controls that display net pay right on the form so users get instant feedback. Use dropdowns for employee ID or department by creating combo boxes that look up values from the employees table, reducing entry errors. Finally, create access reports for polished outputs. Use the report wizard to generate pay slips and monthly salary summaries, grouping by employee or by month as needed. Add your logo, align currency fields, and preview before printing or exporting to PDF. Save your work, test with a few sample entries, and you're ready to run payroll with confidence.